Hello. This is a Sandburg Library tutorial on using the Feature Films for Education streaming platform. We are going to start at our Sandburg A to Z database page that we got to through the portal, and we will change types to ebooks, audiobooks, and streaming videos. From here, we will scroll down to Feature Films for Education and click on the title to get to the database. These are all the titles available on feature films provided by Sandburg Library. If you know your instructor wants you to watch a specific title, you can search for that title. For example, Titan AE is used in a class, so we will do a search for Titan. And the movie comes up in our search. As you can see, there are all kinds of titles on this platform. Feel free to view these titles for classes or just for fun. If you have questions or need help, contact us at library@sandburg.edu.